Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to upload files in OneDrive and share their link. First thing first, go to OneDrive.com and log in to your Microsoft account. Click Upload at the top of the page, then select Choose Files or Folder. On the mobile app, just tap the plus icon, select Upload, and then pick the files from your phone's storage. Once uploaded, your file will appear in your OneDrive folder. Now right-click on the file and select Share. Choose link settings like anyone with a link, people in your organization, and specific people. Toggle edit on or off depending on whether you want others to just view or also edit the file. Then click Copy Link. Now all you have to do is pass the copied link into an email, chat, or document to share. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.